Mongolia, China, Russia, India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Syria, Turkey. These are some of the countries that come to mind when you think about Asia. Same thing with Europe. You think about Romania, Luxembourg, Germany, Belgium, France, England, along with Australia and New Zealand. How about South America with Colombia, Brazil, Argentina, Chile, El Salvador, Ecuador? And of course, let's not forget North America with Canada, United States, and Mexico. But the thing is that whenever I ask anybody to name me the countries of Africa, they can never name more than 6. And this is truly disappointing because if you think about it, Africa actually has 54 countries, and that's a lot. And the fact that we can't name more than 6 of them, that's just not okay. So this, if you haven't guessed it yet already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you, so you can retrieve your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. So allow me to tell you how I got my unique thought this week by just simply looking around. So back to what I was saying. This is where my unique thought comes into play, and I started researching a little bit more about Africa. And it turns out is that there's lots of stereotypes and bias about Africa, and it also says that their economy isn't really the best. Well, guess what? It's actually the second fastest growing economy in the entire world. So that puts that out of the picture. Also, Africa has the world's largest population for young people, meaning that over 60% of their population is younger than 25 years old, meaning that's a whole lot of room for entrepreneurship and innovation if they can get a little bit more help. So any schools or media, if you're watching this video here today, try integrating Africa as a continent just like the others, so that way we can name more countries inside of it. And come on, let's stop treating Africa like a country and instead a continent. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!